Hey guys, my name is Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about programming in C. And the topic that I have chosen is writing a C program to identify whether the prime it is a prime number or a composite number. So let's figure out what is this prime number and what is this composite number first. So, as we know, introduction to number classification. In the presentation, we will explore number classification C programs to identify whether it is a prime number or a composite number and understanding these concepts. So, what are prime numbers? So, prime numbers are natural numbers that are greater than 1 that have no positive divisor other than 1 and themselves. Example 2, 3, 5. So these play a crucial role in fields and many fields and the computer science. And what is a composite number? So composite number are basically natural numbers that have more than two positive divisors. For instance, 4, 6, 8, and 9 are composite. Recognizing these numbers is essential for efficient programming, especially in algorithms related to number theory. So C program structure. So how basically would you write a C program? So the C program to classify number consists of several key components like input, processing, and the output. We will define functions to check if the number is a prime or a composite number. Implementing the algorithm. So in our implementation, we will use loops and conditional statements to determine the classification of the number. The algorithm will iterate through possible devices and check divisibility to classify the number correctly. So the conclusion is that prime, in summary, mass is essential. By understanding prime and composite number, we have to enhance our problem solving skills in C program. This knowledge is foundational for advanced topics in mathematics and computer science. So now let us see a practical format where we write a code and we generate an output. So basically, let us head to the VS Code. And so basically I we have written a program where we identify whether the number is a prime number or a composite number. So we hashtag include a header file where we have to include a header file, and then in main where the program starts, and we end number I and is prime. So the prime number we give a value to the prime number and number and integer. So first we print f is enter the positive integer, and then we scanf where we give the value to the number to the respective data. And then we use a statement called branching statement, which is if statement. And in this if statement, we are checking whether the 0 and 1 are not prime, whether number if number is less than 1, it is not a prime number, or it is not a prime number. So that's what we're checking. And else statement, if else statement we are using. And then for I is equal to 2, then num I plus plus. So we are using basically a while loop, the and is prime. And then we are using a break statement to uh, get out of the program when the number is a prime number. And then print. So basically, if we check whether the number is prime number, and where we give an allocation to the prime number, it should always be greater than 1. So for I is equal to 2 and I into I, where it is less than or equal to num, and plus I plus I, which is an increment operator, which increments the desired aspired value. And if num percentage I is equal to 0, is prime is equal to 0. And break statement, we use a break statement when the particular value satisfies the particular program, it breaks the statement and it gets out of the statement. So this is the use of a while loop. And then if if is prime, printf. So we are basically printing if the condition is satisfied with the prime number, it prints that it is a prime number. And if else, we are using a if else statement. So else if printf is a composite number, we are breaking out of it and showing whatever the number is not a prime number, it is a composite number, where all of it are is a natural numbers. So here we will see the output as, let's type an integer, like let's take it as a 4, which is basically a composite number. But let us run it one more time, and if we type the value as 2, it will be a prime number. So that is how you do it, guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it, how to write a program whether to classify whether it is a prime number or a composite number. And thanks for watching. Please like the video.